Hello everyone, we are going to make the designs. So make a diamond there. Let's have a paint. We will take another design. Create the different structures. I will use the shapes here. What's the result to make it use the layer styles. We have to protect there.